di mayam di makta no video mukha pudun laksari video se lakada ba February date 26 tarina 28 fawa pangthok kada ba hai tare koge AIIMS na low ba hai tare ko tonga tonga ba posting dum mayam su loi khangmani ko social media da madugi maramda aina online class khara tokjabane akhang ba knowledge hai tare ko aina khangjarak pa knowledge khara ado koge feedback cha dugmetik phai phajana pibire hai tare ko ado video sigi YouTube ta ju si upload tokjari sini ko aina akhang ba share duni ado ayam manadi kogi fresher sing hai tare fresher candidate hai tare samjamna koi competitive exam da koi shuru aw trip hai tare ko maduma mi dana hena candidate sing dana hena kanagdra khlle ko aina hai ba kogi takjari ba ngasi abina upload tokjari ba hai upload tokjari ba koi question khara si hai masima hangakane haibdi ntte asiga manaba mawongdani haibdune ba mayamda yamna askari hangtu no gan chamamna ba adum ayonda sum haibire ba ko ado chamamna bigano akoi confidence lebiyo khalakani haibgi wakhanda exam ja thabiyo exam ja saruk yabiyo hariba AIIMS ki makhada log pa post mayam se masi khudong chaba se masi lobiu haiba wafam se thamjage ado video se loi phog yambiyo ado aina koige hospital service related question mayam ma ko adu gi answer khara pi bane ba ko aduga english ki portion khara de english ki portion subject question sing adu de aina answer pi da bane ado modum sem test to biyo aduga lo gu ti biyo aina masi online hoji matam de online gi posima yam paksan tore masi kana bjane na khlle sum khogi like atha ba like sum pa se boring sum oisla pane ba adu par smaina paraga phangpa knowledge ga online nga tang mobile da khangde the computer da laptop da khangde sum yeng adu ne hena yam thuna khangba ngam bagi type am khak towe adu gi jamuk tan khoina online class ka tawdan handak ka to aina sum kitang tawjabista feedback phang pa du gi knowledge tu ni ko adu hoi like su pa ga da bane pa da ju ya roi adagi mo du ga madu khena ba khar su lebne adu sum like habi su chang da ba ya ba sang da ba ya da ba ama su oi bane aduna loi pa ga dam ne khodi mak se aduna laru ka da ba MTS ki post se khogi masi MTS AIIMS na local of force am masi opportunities mangan bignu haiba wapam je thamjage ko adu AIIMS ki da MTS 190 and logo sin highest oi bane ba ko post masim je masi jimaga MTS 198 post oi bane masi yam da chaw bane opportunities mangan nupa nupi apply loi to bu yai ko aduna video se loi bu yam biyo aduga feedback pi biro matung da su koi ge hang pa ya ba hai tar sum suggestion hai tare ko sum ai sum upload to bu ngam bari yenge adna video si loi fo yem bi hai ro
ahan bagi question la sina what is the normal range of a pH in human blood haiba masida koina pH khang dabla pH kaino ham masidi koi gi kaino ne ba indication of acidity do never blood the yaw chang do adadi normal range human blood chidi yaw kyan high targadi 7.35 to 7.45 ogadaba then bin gi matang the hospital any hospital private oishunu government gi oishunu ko bin mayam le ngani ko bin sida khoi question sigi matung in which color coded bin is used for disposing of blood soft medical waste like needle gum ha pa yab karam mono hangmani adadi needle hai sibu H pakpa hepatitis kumba na ko khang bana te na patient kudi magi asi anaba mi ne khang bana tabani na madu karai da thamduno hai ta white ta thamgada sijima aduga what is the primary function of hemoglobin in the blood che ai hemoglobin che nupi da nupa da khenai ko hemoglobin gi chang se adu da ta ri hemoglobin function lai transport oxygen masijima chuma then ICU gi long form se masidi mayam loi khangna mani ko intensive care unit masijima koi ICU ga na tum hospital da haitare private obi government obi ko ICU haina bado next question sina what is the full form of PACU in surgical service masisina post anesthesia care unit haigada ba sijima ado abbreviation se yam khangbam changi ko then which of the following monitor heart activities during surgery masi heart activities kari na monitor toge haba matam da ECG haba machine jina towi ko sijima next question da what is the best method for clean wall koi sagai to kai ba leidana masiba so open sumba se samthok bagi pochima masi kari na khwai best ma sterile saline se masi oga da next question what does universal precautions refer to in hospital practice masi handling all blood and bodily fluid as potentially infectious masi oga then what is the standard weight limit for lifting in patient care as per OSHA guideline OSA guideline gi matung ina lift of patient care lift of 35 kg ni ko adu OSA ji kainu khangdaba yate occupational safety and health administration masi oiba ko aduna 35 kg je correct answer. Which of the following tasks is part of a multitasking staff? Multitasking staff ki role se magi koi duty se kari na cleaning hospital oigani, then patient se assist to bam changi ko, then report delivery oiba adu all the above luchu me ko sima. Then which standard operating procedure SOP is essential for lifting a patient? Masi sina kari no haitan bend at the knee and keep the back straight sina correct answer oigadaba sigi question sigo ina di. Next question is what is the ideal temperature for storing blood in blood bank? Blood bank da thamiba ideal temperature se 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade. Which chemical is used for laboratory to fix biological waste tissue? Biological tissue se fix tawna gi damakta lab ta kari chemical use together formalin. Formalin sinja correct answer ogidaba. Next question is what is the full form of ELISA, a common diagnosis test in medical lab? Hadi enzyme, link, immunosorbal assay. Masi oigadaba is correct answer. Which surgical instrument is used for grasping tissue? Any tissue koi e taiba khangde ama khangde any lokhot khunna ta pai ben nataba masi karina lokhot kadage haban tanda forceps na lokhot kadaba forceps se masina amaram de koi ge health kitang care lo wari ni ko sisima. Then what is the primary function of a ventilator in ICU? ICU da koi gi ventilator gi function je karino hai tari to assist in breathing oiba hai sor honba nungaina na ba hai tari sor honba do nungaina na bagi damak tani ventilator na hai je. Then which department in a hospital is responsible for patient registration and record maintenance hai taragadi masi koi gi medical record department da legadabani ko any record maintenance to ba patient registration to ba khudimaki information mayam se medical record department da legadaba. What is the primary role of a hospital administration? Hospital administration ki primary role se karino managing hospital operation and ensuring smooth functioning. B sina correct answer oigadaba. What does TQM stand for in hospital management? Total quality management oigadaba quantity na te ko. A is correct answer oigadaba. Which method is commonly used for measuring patient satisfaction in hospital? Patient satisfied oiba hai se karino makoi survey and the feedback form do neba akoi complaint box ka thamangani madudaga makoi apen pen da phungtu idana khudimak to loina to maduda taraga magi phanana ba hona du neba aduna B is correct answer survey and feedback ko. What does NAF stand for in hospital management? Sina National Accreditation Board for Hospital and Health Care Provider. B is correct answer. What is telemedicine? Hojik ti chakulak pa matungina laying ba sisu koi chakot pa mating lawi hai tare ko aduna B is the correct answer. Remote diagnosis and treatment through technology. Masima correct answer oigadaba. Which of the following is critical for hospital inventory management? Hospital amada hai tare private obai government obai any hospital amada loidise inventory management loi lerangani ko masida tamde keeping an accurate record of medical supply done. B is correct answer sijima ko. Which act global hospital waste management in India? India gi oina khoi ek ama pass to ki rule ma hai tare ko masi je kari no hai disi A is correct answer. Biomedical waste management rule 2016 masi jim oigedaba. Adu English ki oina di khoi gi answer se ina hai de bida adom khoi gi khoi creator chanabri yengbiyo answer de khanbiyo ba choose to biyo ai answer makti hajar rege English ta lakti se MTS khakking hang nate any every post kodi makta English asidi compulsory oidana khoi gi magi MTS ta singi hangada bani adagi tongan ba post na singi hangadam leite magi adu English ta de dum koi kara tare cha aya mana loina bang mana bane ba ko mana bade English ta portion comprehensive masida passage close space para jumble ar grammar da hide fill in blank adagi no improvement ko then vocabulary the chingti idiom the antonym synonym adagi khoi gi one word substitute oiba adagi spelling mistake lai ba adagi kumba spelling kumba ki maram da haitare ko makhan ha kane ba ko adune oda husik aina sigi tongan ba haitare kitang chanagada ba haitare ko mong ma aina sum online da gi sum phangjabadune mayam da sum aina mit nakong oinaba hai tare ko tak lakadaba exam asida mit nakong oinaba semjabane masi isa isa gi se kitang mit nakong oinaba yengbiro phajana ado answer su khanbiro test lo biro hai tare ko lakadaba exam se mai pakpiu haiba wafum je thamjage ado english ki oina de adum khara honabibam change hai tare ko hanagi foundation laibam su changi as well as honabam su change